Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect make.com to integrate claim status updates, full guide step by step clearly. To connect make.com to integrate claim status updates, begin by logging into your make.com account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Create a New Scenario button to start a fresh project. In the Scenario Builder, search for the app you want to connect. Select that app from the list. After adding the app, configure the connection details. Provide the necessary API key or credentials required for authentication. Next, choose the specific triggers you want to set up. For claim status updates, look for an event related to claims, such as claim updated. Once the trigger is set, it's time to add an action. Search for the app where you want the updates to be sent. Select this app and choose the action you want to perform, such as send notification. Configure the action by specifying the details to be included in the notification. This might involve mapping fields from your initial app to the destination app. After configuring both the trigger and action, click on the Test button. Follow the prompts to ensure that the integration works as expected. If the test is successful, your scenario is almost ready to go live. Click on the Activate button to enable your scenario. You can now monitor the integration through the dashboard for any updates or issues. If necessary, revisit the scenario settings to make adjustments or enhancements. Congratulations, you have successfully connected make.com to integrate claim status updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.